G'day everyone, it's Alex and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the latest shiny.
We've had a bit come through in my absence. I've been gone the last couple of weeks. You might have noticed a bit of a lack of videos, and in that time, we haven't stopped getting stuff through. So we thought, I came back in this morning and I thought, you know, there's been a few things that people may not have seen snuck up onto the website. I'm sure the eagle-eyed will have seen them, but there's a few products that haven't really got a highlight yet. So we thought we'd do that today. So what have we got?
All right, well, something that's just coming new is the second in the series of these beautiful 1 ounce and in a 10 ounce Norse.
The Norse Gods series. Yeah, very cool. So we've got 4 here. We've had Odin previously. That's a bit of a cross collaboration. I love seeing those. We don't see too many, but cross collaboration between the Royal Mint and Germania.
There we go. That's the 1 ounce there, and we have the gorgeous looking 10 ounce bars as well.
Are you going to do the classic Michael thing of, you know, it's always better to see the design blown up on a bigger planchet, or?
Oh, I would have, except you just stole the words right out of my mouth. But yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, another beauty. Yeah, very nice series. Been very popular. Quite a few people have been asking about these just before they came in. So
yeah. No, good to see these through. They are both still available as far as I know. We'll see how long they last after the highlight here. But yeah, no, very cool series. Interested to see where it goes.
All right, something else that's come in is the Greyhound of Richmond, or as I call them, the Go Tigers in the 10 ounce. They're beautiful.
I've heard a couple of different offhand names. There's something to do with Richmond, but also Santa's Little Helper, I think, got a mention as well.
Oh wow, I cannot unsee it now.
Yeah. But yeah, the next in the Tudor Beast series, the Greyhound of Richmond there.
Yeah.
I believe there's also the 2 ounces available,
yes.
Some the gold. The platinum I think is sold out for now, but we might have been getting some more through. So stay tuned for some 1 ounce platinum of those as well if you were hanging out. I think I spoke to Adam before and there might be some more coming.
Yeah, now we have some, these have been popular as well. These are the 1 ounce by 4, so 1/4 ounce bars.
Oh, cool. I was a bit sad I'd missed these when I was away and saw these come through. So we had the halves previously, bit different series. There was the Western Warriors we had through that split it into 2 halves. But yeah, cool to see this concept again. So it comes as 1 bar, but you can actually break it off into quarters. Not quite as easily as that makes it sound. You do have to kind of work it back and forth a little bit to get it to snap in half. And
right.
I'm not going to embarrass you, Alex, and make you do that on camera. I learned my lesson from Michael.
I would, but I don't want to embarrass Michael by showing how easy it is to snap off, so I'll just leave it as is.
So yeah, if you get them, just be prepared to work a little bit to get it to break.
And we do have a few restocks. Now, I'll start with these because I know you love these, and
I do love these.
Bringing these in. These are the beautiful Royal Canadian Mint 10 ounce maple bars. Just gorgeous.
Fairly stock standard potentially for those in North America. They might go, hang on a minute, yeah, we see those all the time. We don't see them too often down here in Australia, so good to see those through.
We do get asked about them often, so they are back in stock.
And particularly with Perth Mint not doing a 10 ounce bar, you know, lately, it's kind of, it's really cool to see a national mint do a cool 10 ounce bar like that.
Very cool bar. Also, something very cool is the Pamps in the various sizes. We've got the gold in a 1 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, and 20 gram. We did have some others that they did go out quite a bit. We've got the last few remaining, like the 100 ounce cast bar and so forth. But these are. I
think there was also there's some multi-gram ones of those, and potentially I think there was some 5 gram snakes as well, Pamp snakes. So keep an eye out for everything Pamp. Again, not a brand we get through all the time here, and so it's one that's very, very popular, and I'd say has a very dedicated following behind it. We get a lot of people that will only stack Pamp products.
No,
so.
Absolutely. But I've left the best to last.
Well, hey.
Well, for me anyway, I'm a big fractional stacker and collector, and here we have a restock of the absolutely exquisite Valcambi 100 gram by 1 gram bars. Kit Kat bars as they're commonly known, or combi bars.
So similar kind of logic to the quarters we spoke about here, just on a much more fractional level. So yeah, 100 little 1 gram bars. To be bullion in Australia, it's got to have its stamp of weight and purity, and each individual little bar there will have exactly that.
There is a bit of a premium on that, but if you're a fractional lover, they're well worth it.
Definitely had some cool things in. There is a couple more that we've had that people might have seen, but I think a few of those have actually sold out.
Yeah.
So, but good to be back here on YouTube. Good to be back here in Australia.
Good to have you back.
Yeah, good to be back. And yeah, we should have some more regular videos coming out now with some updates of what we got coming through. So, links in the description for these ones, and stay tuned for what else is coming out.
See you next time.